Hey guys, welcome back. Douglas's Model Garage's videos. I just like to do a quick little unboxing of this cool vintage Porsche Carrera by Lindberg snap fit kit. I bought this off of eBay. It was an open kit. I think the person wrapped it with a. This is not the actual wrapper, so this was never. It wasn't a sealed kit when I got it, so guys. But he wrapped it up in something that would keep all the parts in the box. Plus, everything's pre-wrapped, so I know it was open before, but I'd like to share it with you guys. So let me get the box open and then come right back to you. So as we look at the box here, first off, let's look at that. We have a Porsche Carrera Snap Fit plastic construction kit, as they call it. Racing decals, chrome-plated parts, clear windshield, no gluing required. Paints are not included. Adult guidance for youngsters under 10 years old. I don't know. We under 10 years old? Anybody on here watching this that's under 10 years old? Please let me know. All right, and it's by Lindberg, and it's a 1982 kit, which is very cool. And you got the side profile right there. Then again, you got the same thing on this side. So let's see what we got in the Porsche kit right here. So we have a decal sheet. Not sure how good these would be, being from 1982. Oh, they're different kind of. They're like, oh, okay, those are like those Pinewood Derby decals where you use I guess where you would use a pencil or something. You scratch it and then eventually it lands on your car for you. So that's those. I don't think I'd be using those, but they look good, at least. Got the instructions right here. So let's see how to build this. So it starts off with your normal assembly stuff, saying what colors the box go with and stuff like that, and the letters and all that. Then we have the directions how to put together. So we got four wheels, which are plastic completely. Then we have the chassis pan, seats, and axle with the wheels going on there. Then we have a body or interior there, the dashboard going on, and with looks like to be a plastic piece for the instrument panel. Then we have the engine cover underneath the glass there. Then all that slides underneath inside with taillights. Then we have chassis pan going into the body. Very easy. Then we have the headlight covers. Well, headlights first, and then the headlight covers. And then we have the what looks to be a separate panel for the middle there of the front windshield. Alright, so interesting little note here. How to apply press cal decals. Okay. So decide on design. Cut through the sheets of paper and carefully remove paper covered design. Press down with the edge of a coin and ballpoint pen and flat. Okay, so that's a new way of doing decals, at least for me. So you got the clear pieces right here. We have the front windshield, very, very clear for being from 1982. Then we have the rear window right here. We have the body. It's a pretty cool looking car. I might have to actually go and start this one once I get done with this video. Then we have the engine cover in whatever that little box is right there. Looks like interior piece. You got rims and one half of the tires and the seats right here. So we got some racing seats right there. Then we have the other half of the plastic seats and the plastic axles along with the gear shift. And can't quite tell what the other piece is there. And that looks like the divider bar for the body. Then we have the floor pan. And let's see. This does have pretty good detail. I mean, you know, for being a snap fit, I could probably probably put it on a table and nobody will know. There's the decal for the dashboard. And there's some chrome pieces, steering wheel, rims. Okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed that unboxing of this Lindberg Porsche Carrera Snap Fit Kit from 1982. And you guys have a happy Monday. And I hope this excites you to buy a vintage kit and build it. So have a great day, guys. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys later. All right. Bye.